these again just because I'm here. I have an idea. There's no off button for the Genius machine. Here you go. No, it's barely readable. I like this little detail, the bell system. Working down here for I think 6 or 7 weeks before I discovered that I was within walking distance of these phones. I didn't think I was. I mean, I specifically thought I'd done enough poking around to conclude that I was not anywhere near these, but I was wrong, as I can be. Being wrong is one of my more annoying traits. I mean, admitting that I am wrong. It annoys some people. It's when somebody's wrong, they want to lord it over you. They want to remind you that you were wrong, you were wrong. These people are assholes. That was another old bell system, Western Electric detail. It's got a 181 in it. How bad can it be? How bad can that be?